So zoonosis by definition is a set of conditions which occur on the interfaces of different disciplines and different sectors. There are several challenges as far as zoonosis prevention and control is concerned, and also there are approaches which have been found to be useful, have been found to be effective, or at least are believed to be effective. And one of the most discussed and most widely propagated approach is the One Health approach. And at the heart of that One Health approach is transsectorality. So in terms of challenges for zoonosis prevention and control, I believe that the biggest challenge has been that we haven't been able to move towards that transsectoral, transdisciplinary approach to zoonosis prevention and control. We still operate at a multidisciplinary or at best a very interdisciplinary or intersectoral kind of approach to zoonosis, which means that we still operate within our silos, whether it is the human health sector or it is the animal health sector or the environment sector or even other disciplines or other sort of functions. We still continue to operate in silos, and there are hardly any examples, even in the developed country settings, of truly transsectoral approaches to zoonosis prevention and control. The second broad challenge, which essentially flows from this lack of transsectorality, is from a system and a policy perspective, and that challenge is that of the lack of operational frameworks. So the transsectorality is an approach, whereas that approach has to be translated into something more tangible, which will eventually result in specific actions which are effective and which are going to be controlling zoonosis prevention and control. And those actions and those programs should have the operational contours clearly delineated and clearly sort of described, clearly describing the roles and responsibilities of different sectors and different stakeholders who would be involved in zoonosis prevention and control. Unfortunately, there is a lack of operational frameworks, and that's really the disconnect that we see in terms of our response to zoonosis prevention and control. One Health does provide that framework, but the biggest challenge with One Health approach has been that we haven't been able to operationalize One Health and convert the approach into operational frameworks. So these are the broad challenges, and most of the vulnerabilities can be addressed once we have a clear idea of how are we going to achieve transsectorality and how are we going to develop effective operational frameworks.